My name is Nieky van Vlerken and I'm an HR advisor and also a motivational speaker and trainer. Well, I've known Mark for a longer time. He has been my TEDx coach. So I already know that he's going to give me a lot of inspiration, but also what I expected, especially today, is a lot of technical tips. Especially how can you keep the attention of the audience and what tips and tricks can he offer to make more impact and stay with my story. Mark as a trainer, what do I think of Mark as a trainer? I love him. I mean, he is really spontaneous. He is just a human being. He's not like, oh, I'm the trainer and you are the people. Like, sometimes you see some distance, and he's like really one of us, which gives confidence. And yeah, but also what I think of him is that he's a professional. He has a lot of experience, and he's a real connector. So he makes the people who are sitting here today, well, he has something on over him that makes people connect. Yeah, this morning I felt grateful, and now I feel even more grateful because I got a lot of tools. And but to describe it in one word, I am eager to perform on stage.